statement by 5 NGOs. The Tibetan community stands with India and strongly condemns China's aggression on Indian territory. At least 20 Indian soldiers, including a commanding officer, lost their lives during a Chinese military invasion at the Indo-Tibet border in Galwan Valley, Ladakh on Monday, which is one of the deadliest Chinese attacks on Indian sovereignty in 45 years. As we pay tribute to the courage of the Indian soldiers and offer our condolences to the bereaved families, we call on world leaders and the governments to stand with India against this illegal aggression by Chinese troops on Indian soil and work together to counter China's expansionism. For centuries, the independent Tibet and India enjoyed peace and friendship, shared friendly neighborhood, border trade, cultural bonds, engaged in incredibly peaceful unions. The major river source in Tibet was shared with downstream countries without any complications. However, once China occupied Tibet, the whole peaceful developments were disrupted by China's illegal and unfriendly manner. China has never shared its border with India until Tibet was occupied by the so-called People's Liberation Army in 1949. Over 1.2 million Tibetans have died as a direct result of Chinese occupation of Tibet. However, Tibetans inside Tibet and in exile have never wavered in our struggle against the colonial occupation of our homeland. It is high time for India to recognize Tibet as an independent country and occupied nation by inviting Tibet's legitimate representatives on Indo-Tibet border agreement. History has taught us that China cannot be trusted. Befriending China thereby ignoring Tibet's issue has been the biggest mistake of India in the past, and it would be an unwise strategy for India's national security in the future. Believing a friendship with China comes at our own cost. Even if another border agreement is met, it would be another temporary disengagement, but long-term friendship with China will be betrayed by China as she did in the past. Therefore, an independent Tibet is the only lasting solution for Indo-China conflict. China's greed stretches far beyond Tibet to the whole Himalayan region and world at large as part of their aggressive expansionist policy. Therefore, India has an incredible duty to lend the neighboring countries to challenge against the illegal and aggressive invasion of China in such critical times. In addition to the Chinese government's mishandling of the coronavirus outbreak, which has already claimed lives of almost 500,000 innocent people and infected more than 7.4 million people, Beijing has further threatened global security by waging a military invasion against India. The Chinese government must be held accountable for flouting international law and wreaking havoc around the world. Now more than ever, it is clear that we must take immediate action to prevent China from causing even more global instability. As we stand in solidarity with India, we call Indian government and international community to take these actions. International community must issue urgent public statements to strongly condemn Chinese military invasion of Indian territory. India and world governments must recognize Tibet as a separate, historically independent country that remains under China's illegal occupation. As this most recent tragedy demonstrates, China's occupation of Tibet is a threat to international peace and security. Must support Tibetans, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, Southern Mongolians, and Taiwanese people in their fight against Chinese Communist Party's colonial practices and expansionism. The international community must join Indian grassroots movement to boycott made in China products and raise economic pressure on China. Thank you.